Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I am testing out the new truck tent that we bought. Before taking the girls out, I want to do just a quick run, make sure everything's working, kind of a trial run. Yeah, we're going to do a bit of fishing as well. Parked up quite a nice spot out of the way, so I'm going to get the tent set up. Also got a new mattress off Amazon that we're going to be giving a run today too. But for now I'm going to get the truck tent set up, and yeah, it'll be the second time setting that up, so let's see what happens. Is set up. Our mattress is semi-inflated for the most part. I'm just going to let it stretch out a bit, and I'll throw some air in it before I'm going to bed. I've taken one of the rods out of the water. Just want to have enough minnows for later on this evening. Now, I don't usually fish like this. I don't like fishing for catfish. You get frozen minnows, and almost every cast is you're pulling the rod back in after half an hour because the minnow's gone. So that just drives me nuts. I much prefer to be spinning. But it's quite rocky here, so and it's not the right time just yet. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave one rod in the water and get supper going here. It's about 6 o'clock right now, so I'll get some supper going and see if the fish bites. I don't know. Fish on. Ooh, that's a nice fish. Decent sized fish. First fish of the day. Really got to learn what my Manitoba fish species are. Yeah, typical. You go to get something to eat and all of a sudden you get a fish on. So now I got to find out what fish that is. So let's put some bait on and get that line back out there. Let's see what we got here. We have a chicken noodle stew. Moist towel, coffee, sugar, spoon. Ooh, toffee peanuts. We have a fruit punch powder stick beverage. We have a cheese spread. Yeah, won't be having that. Your typical crackers. They're actually not that bad. Get your heat pouch. And we have a shortbread cookie. Holy. It starts right away. Well, that heat up really, really quickly. So, fish on again. Oh, he's off. Damn it. Ah, he's off. He's off. Ooh. Nice and hot. I'm gonna have to let that cool down for a minute. Okay. So, because I forgot my tripod, I have the camera sitting on a yellow bin, top of a spare queen bed air mattress box on top of the shortbread cookie, and opening up the MRE to give that a whirl. So inside the little condiments thing we have original Smarties candy, a moist towelette, we have instant coffee, we have creamer, salt, pepper, might need that, sugar, crushed red pepper flakes, a toothpick, napkins, and a spoon. Oh, look at this chicken noodle stew. A whirl. Actually really good. This is the heat pouch for the MREs. Basically, as soon as you add water to it, chemicals react and start heating up boiling water. So 5-6 minutes, it's piping hot. For just me coming out camping, these are perfect. shortbread cookie is really good. Took that a good one. Well, 2 down. He's off. Damn it. Damn it. Oh. Oh yeah. Fish on. Another nice fish. Another one bites the dust. This is what we're using for bait. Salted minnows. Nice and quiet now. Sun's almost going down. It's gotten very quiet. It's beautiful. It's beautiful out here. Let me swing you around and show you. Got a little fire going. Not so much for the heat, but just to create some smoke. Trying to keep those mosquitoes away. Okay, 3 fish. Found out that they were drum or silver bass. That's what I was told. Freshwater drum. Let me see. Freshwater drum, aka silver bass. So thanks to Andrew for letting me know. It's quieting down a bit. These mosquitoes get too bad, I'm hightailing it into the tent for the night because I can't stand them. That is the sleeping quarters for the night. The pump is just not long enough to reach from the... Oh, hang on. Maybe there's one in the back. I never even thought of looking at it. Oh, that was big. Oh, that was big. I don't know if you can see that ripple. I don't know if that's going to come out on camera, but Whatever it was big. Lots of logs floating in the water too. Anyway, back to the truck here. I was plugging into the front, and I have a cigarette lighter I can plug into the perfect. So I'll get a little bit more air in that. Now that I have a little bit more distance. Yeah. What a beautiful evening. The mozzies are out. The mozzies are out. The girls are super jealous that they're not out fishing with me. So, but but I wanted to make sure everything worked before I actually tucked them out. I'm still not hungry after eating that MRE, which was actually not bad. I'll have a little snack here, get in the tent. Get in the tent a little bit later and maybe watch a movie. Just quiet. I love it. Just had another jump in the water. This is okay for a trial run. You can back the truck right up almost to the river. Do a bit of fishing. But I think I'd prefer it to be a little bit quieter. Still nice though. So we'll wait for another bite, and it is 8:46 right now. Just a couple of bits jumping. Oh. Just heard. Looks like there's a storm coming in. It might be a long night. Well, we're going to be putting this tent to the ultimate test. Because right now in Winnipeg it's thunder and lightning from now till 10. Now we're a little bit away from Winnipeg, so it might miss here, but sunset's gonna happen in the next few minutes. yeah, we'll see what happens. But rainfly is on the tent. And here comes the rain. The storm's coming. So the storm hit pretty quick. I managed to get in out of the rain pretty good, but it's really dark in here and on the action for can't see diddly squat. So I'm shooting on my phone. It's actually quite hot in the tent right now, even with the vents open. Mattress is holding up pretty good. It's actually quite comfortable. Not a bad day's fishing. It's always good to get at least one. So I got four drum in the end. No catfish though. So it's 10 o'clock at night right now. Yeah, I'm gonna batten down for the night. See how this tent holds up. Fingers crossed. We'll see you in the morning. Who needs an alarm clock? A little bit of condensation on the It's 5:15 in the morning. And there's kids laughing. 5:30 in the morning. Actually slept not too bad last night. I woke up like about 2 o'clock in the morning and I had to get out and take pee. You kind of find it hard to go back to sleep because the tent was rattling in the wind pretty hard, so I think I lay there for another hour or so, but I put a movie on or finished watching the movie I started. Fell back to sleep about 3 o'clock, something like that. But mattress held up pretty good, and the tent held up pretty good. My air mattress lost a little bit of air. Not a huge amount. I just had a lighter sleeping bag with a heavier one thrown over me as a blanket. But pretty good. So Rod is in the water, and let's get some breakfast going. So, yeah, sun's coming up. I'm going to, I'm going to get wrapped up here. I'll take all this down. The Napier truck, Backroads truck tent did a fantastic job last night in the storm. With thunder, lightning, and severe rain for a bit, and it held up pretty good. I had the rain fly over, so it did get a little bit of condensation inside the tent, but not enough to really be too worried about it. And the air mattress held up pretty good, so all in all, quite happy with that. So I think that, yeah, it'll be good enough to take the girls out. Might not be best sleep I might ever have, but should be good enough. So I'm going to take all this down and get packed up. That way all I have to do is take the rod out of the water and jump in the truck and head out of here. So yeah. is right out of the water. Avoid another downpour.
If it falls, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. My mother says to the...
That's taking way too long.
It's you. It's you, Daddy.
It's me.
Yeah.
Click subscribe.
I forgot something. I was playing.
If you like this video, if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Like that? That's it? Was that good? Thumbs up or down? Thumbs up?
You missed one more.
Thumbs up?
No.
Oh yeah, click the bell notification. There you go.
It's not bell notification, it's notification bell.